So how do you make it?
So, from what I understand, is that some of the local mowing companies and all that kind of stuff,
Right,
they come and drop off their trimmings, the
right,
lawn
right, right,
trimmings, and it builds up and sits there over time and
right.
starts you know turning into compost.
Yeah.
There's also some compost bins out the back that scraps and stuff get put into, so it gets, you know,
Over the
um,
time period, how long it takes to get it converted
well, I
into
think this pole here's only been here for a couple of weeks.
a
So
couple of weeks?
yeah, probably maybe a month or so.
Okay.
But every so often, more gets added to the top, and then it gets tuned. Yeah.
Oh yeah, and I'm throwing away my mulch, the
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
rubbishing it,
Yeah.
So that's a good idea, to make the mulch, and
Yeah.
we can grow out of it, the
The
some
veggies.
tomatoes and some, these clousets or like that.
Yeah.
And that's a pretty nice and good idea. So you are
Yes.
for doing much for community. Very nice to meet with the community people,
Yeah.
and it's my pleasure.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you for visiting.
Thank you. If you are really, working in this northern suburb of Wellington, and come down to this place. It's in Johnsonville. The restaurant name is Kai Mai, and if you really willing to have, this Turkish food, so Kai Mai is a very good restaurant, and let's go inside. How neat and clean it is, and food is very nice here. Food is very nice food here, and that's their menu. Just check out the menu. So that's a good menu, and here is gentleman chef, chef and owner, and she's the host. And let's we decide the menu, and that's the some deals here, chutneys and all that. So it took about 6 to 7 minutes, and our food is on the table, freshly prepared. And I have ordered Iskander. That is halloumi Iskander today. Today we are eating something light, so they suggested me halloumi. So it got a yogurt and beetroot chutney on the top, and another is sorry, this is a hummus dip, and Kiran order vegetable kebab. So in the this falafel, so it is a falafel inside wrapped in this roti kebab. So all filled with the vegetable salads. And here we got here, that is baklava. Baklava is a very, flaky and crusty pastry filled with some, the halwa kind of things. So it's so beautiful. Uh, halloumi, yogurt, and hummus. Diamond. Fantastic. No match. Yeah, how's it?
Oh, it's very yummy. Nice. Lots of salad and falafel kebab. It's very yummy.
So we came here at 2:30, and this place is so far, the busy with doing the takeaways and deliveries, and preparing for the evening. And the exact location of this place is, on the Johnsonville Road, nearby this uh, petrol pump, and next to this Johnsonville Mall. So do not forget to come to this place. It's really high standards food, and very good food. Thank you, guys. So I'm here at the Newland Community Center. Hare Mahi, mean welcoming. So there's the place where these ladies look after this house, This is run by the Wellington City Council, and they got a banquet hall here that's to organize the small functions. About 50 people, I can say. And this side they got some the kitchen facility, and up there they got some conference rooms. And I got my friends inside. Yeah. ये हमारे अंकल आंटी से मिलते हैं. हाँ जी अंकल जी, कैसे हैं? आंटी जी नमस्ते, कैसे हैं?
चल रहा है.
चल रहा है. अच्छा अच्छा, और बढ़िया बढ़िया, बहुत बढ़िया. अच्छा ठीक है. मिलकर बड़ी खुशी हुई.
वेजिटेबल मार्केट में घूम रहा हूँ मैं.
कहाँ से आप? मुंबई से है ना?
हाँ, मुंबई से है.
अच्छा ठीक 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 है. चलो बहुत अच्छा, मिलकर बहुत खुशी हुई. So friends, beautiful sunshine today. I'm here on 21 Oxford Street, Thawa. So it's a community garden, and it's a time to make the hands dirty. And let's see, the pumpkin has fallen with the wind, so I'm strengthening the pumpkin. That's pretty nice now, it's okay. And this one is other one. Got it right. And you can see now there's lots and lots of herbs here. So in this garden you can see the funnel here, and one funnel is here, and green sage, beautiful green sage, nice, for cooking. It goes with the continental cooking, your European cooking, or you can use it as well. This is a green and pink, same sage cooking. And here is parsley. This one beautiful is growing up. It's for to make some falafel. The Turkish and the Middle Eastern use it as a lot. Iraqi and to make a falafel, and we can use it for pakoda. You can make pakoda, very nice pakoda. You can make it out of it, and such a nice garden. And here strawberry, tomatoes, and yeah, you can see the cabinet. How did they make the cabinet with the wood? Very nice cabinet. And this.
Rosemary.
Yeah. To interact with this community, you can talk to the city council. They may offer you some help to buy these cabinets, and offer you some kind of plants. It all depends upon the council, and they will give you some space to grow the vegetables. So, and you can come down if you don't have even space. You can come and help you, and it's very good. Bring the kids. This is the quite a good place for the kids. It's good for their the parents of the kids, and you can bring your kids here, and they can enjoy the sunshine, and they can learn how to grow the plants, and how to protect them from the wind. So here in this area the wind is a challenging thing, but this area, especially in Thawa, it's quite good, less wind, and quite good. So this is you can when you come down, you will meet the people, other people as well, and so it's a quite good place for interactions. Okay, thank you. Lana will tell you what she is doing here at this community.
So yeah, I look at, I help the whānau look after their own beds, as well as mainly out the front, the koha beds we call them, so anyone can come in and harvest for themselves out the front there.
Right.
I think we have 2 more beds left here before there's no more if anyone wants to come in and give it a go. It's up to you. I'll be here to help you and provide seedlings and whatever you need. Yeah, so I can show you the greenhouse. We grow from seed.
came from Newland, so is it okay to plant some vegetables here?
I don't think so.
It's okay.
Yeah.
Why? That will be great. That will be great.
So we grow everything from seed.
Right.
And
You only do the seedling here,
yeah,
or we put some plants and depends.
yeah.
Oh, they have seedling
Oh,
there.
you got it.
So we grow it from seed.
Seedling place. Look at it.
Nice.
That's the Lana seedling place, and
Yeah.
it's all covered.
Very nice.
It's the kind of greenhouse. It's a
Greenhouse.
nice, sturdy, Oh, that's pretty good.
Fantastic.
And this canvas kind of
Yeah, plastic.
built seedlings are there.
Whatever. So coming into summer, it'll be a lot of tomatoes
Oh, that's coriander. Coriander we can grow straight, I think, in the
in the ground.
garden. Yeah, rather than putting here and we can't replant it.
Yeah. Yeah. So heaps of tomatoes are growing at the moment.
Right.
Pumpkin.
Tomatoes and the pumpkin.
Yeah. All the fun
And-
summer stuff.
That's look at it, basil,
Yeah.
olive.
Yeah.
And come inside.
Very hot though.
Look at these different kind of tomatoes. And what is it actually?
Lemons. Lemon trees.
Oh, lemon plants.
Yeah.
Yes, it was quite nice. And this peas here. And here I can see this
Silver beet?
Yeah.
silver beet or that what's
Silver
called,
beet, the
silver
rainbow.
beet. Silver beet,
Rainbow
onions,
The
Yeah.
colorful.
and
Yeah.
everything.
Yeah.
Thank you, Fana. Thank you. Nice to meet you. And we got quite a good idea and inspiration from you. And you used to be here all the time, or
Tuesdays only.
only Tuesday?
Yeah, 9:30 to 2:30.
That's pretty good.
Yeah.
And quite a nice, it's like hot, so kind of
Yeah.
feeling like a nice summer.
Yeah.